can be challenging to listen to the information presented in your class, think about and process what is being said, and write it all down at the same time. The Livescribe Smartpen can help you with this by recording the audio in your class and what you wrote down at the same time. Then it automatically links the two together. When class is ended, you can come back to your notebook and tap on a note to hear what the pen recorded when you were writing it down. In this video, we will cover the features of the Livescribe Echo Smartpen and how to use it in your class. When you receive your pen, you will find the following items in the box: the Livescribe Echo Smartpen, a USB cable, and replacement ink cartridges. You can use the USB cable to charge the SmartPen by plugging it into a computer for 30 minutes to an hour, and after that, it should be charged and ready for class. Should the ink run dry, you can simply pull on the pen nib until it comes out and replace it with a new ink cartridge. Let's take a look at the SmartPen itself to get to know its features. On the top of the pen, there is a USB port for charging and data transfer, as well as a headphone port in case you'd like to use the headphones to listen to the recorded audio stored on the pen. At the tip of the pen, you'll see the pen cap, which protects the ink from drying out, but also protects a small camera that allows the pen to know where you are on the page. To keep the pen safe and functional, replace this cap each time you use it. On the face of the pen, we have a small display that shows the time and the battery level when we're using it to take notes and to listen to recorded audio. It will tell us more about the recording and the audio playback. Here you'll also see the built-in speaker and microphone. Along with your SmartPen, you will also receive a Livescribe dot paper notebook. This notebook contains paper that is printed with small dots all over the page that tell the pen where it is and what page you're writing on. When you begin to use this notebook, tap the gray seal on the cover to tell the pen that this is the notebook you'll be using. It should say,
"This notebook is available for use on your SmartPen."
And now you're ready to go. On each page, you will find that there are some symbols that you can tap to tell your SmartPen what you would like it to do. Some of these can only be used with other SmartPen models, so we'll focus on the record, pause, and stop symbols at the bottom left corner of each page. When you are ready to begin taking notes, tap the record symbol with the tip of the SmartPen to begin recording. You should hear the bell and see the display change to indicate that it is now recording audio. If you need to pause the recording to account for a class break or any other reason, you can tap the pause symbol and it will be ready to resume when you touch the record or pause symbol again. And there we can see it's paused. And let's resume. When you are finished taking notes, you can tap the stop symbol with your SmartPen to fully stop the recording. And there you can see the recording is stopped, and we have a 26-second recording. Let's see it in action.
Once you have completed your note-taking and are ready to review your notes, you can simply tap on your notes to hear the audio that was recorded when you were writing. Let's try it. Once you have completed your note-taking and are ready to review your notes, you can simply tap on your notes to hear the audio that was recorded when you were writing. Let's try it.
And now you're ready to take notes using the Livescribe Echo Pen.